Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Google keyboard or gboard theme colors on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the keyboard color on your Google keyboard or gboard, or how to change the theme color. So first of all, I just click on the search option. You will see now the keyboard has been appeared here. You just can click this, or you can click directly this theme option. Just click this option. Now you will see this is the theme center. So here just swipe down, you will see a lot of color. Click on this arrow option to make all color visible. So just click this. You can see this is a lighter keyboard and this is a blue keyboard. You can just have a two option. This is a plain keyboard and this is the keyboard with the keys. So you can select a lot of colors. You can see the purple color or the blue color. This is a sky blue color and also brown here, and there is a lot of colors like gray, and also in black wise you can see a lot different type of black. You can get any black color that you want. This is a old style keyboard which actually casually we just using, and I'm just going to choose this option and just going to select this and click on the apply option. Now you can see how it's look like. It's so beautiful and have a beautiful changes in my mobile phone daily routine. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.